Alright, so we'll be going over 6th grade lesson 8 today. Okay. So number 1, there are 10 women for every 6 men in a company. Which of the following ratios is equivalent to the ratio of men to women? So 10 women for every 6 men, and the ratio is men to women. So 6 to 10. But we can simplify this, and so we can divide 2 from 6 and 2 from 10, and that will be 3 to 5. So B is the correct answer. The ratio of orange juice to fruit punch at a party is 5 to 8 liters. What is a possible ratio of liters of fruit punch to orange juice? So fruit punch to orange juice, but the ratio given is orange juice to fruit punch. So we just have to flip these two. So fruit punch is 8 and orange juice is 5. And then now let's just look at all the options that were given to see which one would be possible. So if you look at option A, it's 16 to 10. So that means we would have to multiply by 2 to get 16. Then you also multiply by 2 to 5. So when you multiply 2 to 8, that's 16. Multiply 2 to 5, that is 10. So yeah, this is A is the correct answer. And then we can just double check by looking at, let's see, if we look at B, since it's 20, that means we would have to multiply 4 to 5 to get 20, but 8 times 4, that's not 19, so that's wrong. If you multiply by 2 to get 10, but then you multiply 2, that'll give us 16. So C isn't the right answer. And then D is switched. These two are switched. It should be fruit punch to orange juice, but D is given as orange juice to fruit punch. So A is the correct answer. That's how we double check. Alright, now at a certain concert, there are 2 American fans for every 3 British fans. How many British fans are present if there are 44 American fans? So 2 American fans for every 3 British fans. So then if there's 44, then how many British fans are there? So 2 American fans, we can multiply that by 22 to get 44, right? Because 22 times 2, that's just 4, times 2 times 2 is 4. So yeah, then we just have to multiply by 22 on the bottom too. So 3 times 22. And that's just 66. So 66. D is the correct answer. Right? Okay. Jill's mom is preparing for a marathon. She needs to run 28 miles in 7 days. How many miles should she run per day to hit her goal? So 28 miles. 28 miles in 7 days. And that is just 4 miles in 1 day, right? Because 28 divided by 7, that's just 4, so which is the same thing as 4 over 1. So then A would be the correct answer. Over one last one. Let's see. Okay, let's just go over number 5. Sophia makes $10 an hour. She wants to buy 3 kilograms of rice, which is $25. How many hours does she need to work to afford 3 kilograms of rice? So $10 in 1 hour is what she makes. And if she wants to afford 3 kilograms of rice, which is $25, you have to equal 25. And so we would need to find how many hours. Let's just say that the hours is H. So then we need to find, basically, we can just cross multiply, or we can just look at it this way. Just look at the proportions. We need to find out what we can multiply to 10 in order to get 25. So we can just do 25 divided by 10. If we cross multiply, it would just be the same thing as well. We would do 25 times 1, that's 25, equals 10 times H. So then we can divide 10 from here on this side, and then divide 10 from here on this side. And so if you do 25 divided by 10, an easy way to just do dividing by 10 is just move 1 decimal place this way to the left, and that'll just give you 2.5. And so D would be the correct answer. But if you want to actually do the work, it'll just be 10, and it goes in 2 times, and then 20 minus is 5. Add a decimal place, bring down a 0, and it's 0.5. Yep, so 2.5 is the right answer.